Keaton's here this morning to install the plumbing in our master bathroom. Keaton installed the toilet in about 5 minutes.
I tried to take as long as I could. I wanted to get anybody look bad.
Shower's ready to go. And the sink is next. This guy wants to be where we are.
My retreat area. You can't give me everything I want in there. I'm gonna freak out. So what do we need first?
Double shower head.
Is it gonna make it too crowded in there with a double head?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Come here, sweetie.
Give me kisses. Give me kisses.
You're a ham.
Functional right there. Getting this for you.
Oh, the glass guy will be here sometime today to put in the shower door.
Progress. Those are the same.
Well, a little bit of water comes out. You have it on low pressure intentionally?
No.
Ooh. Let there be water.
I think the restrictors was putting this stuff in.
Is there a restrictor in that too?
Yeah, and I couldn't get them out. Back into them.
Huh.
Oh, let's get some water in here. It stinks. Not much glory. And today, unfortunately didn't have anything. She had 16, 17 years old, and we start this. I can't have boys and stuff over at the house.
So you typically put caulk around the base of the toilet?
Yes.
So Keaton said he leaves a little gap in the back of the toilet, so if it leaks, the water will come out and it will be an indicator that you have a problem.
It keeps from allowing dust and dirt and debris getting around the edge and underneath the bottom of it. It's kind of hard to clean out underneath that thing once it's set.
Okay.
So it's got multiple uses for it for sure.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And it comes out white, but it will dry clear.
And then how does it travel upwards through this internal P-trap?
Yeah.
Well, it's created with a whirlpool, a vortex. When you flush this toilet, you see how if you watch the lines are all coming out at an angle. And it's creating that vortex in the middle of your bowl
Okay.
that flushes everything through. When these are starting to get clogged up and dirty up inside of there, you'll notice that the water will just trickle out or fall straight down. That is an indicator that the inside of your toilet is starting to fail. I mean, people put in those detergent bowls and stuff like that, and those cleaners in the back of them, they create even more worse. About $500 to $700.
Well, that's,
Give or take. I think that would be high end.
that's very reasonable.
Yeah. It'd be about a half a day's work. We'd poke the lines up out in the garage.
Right, exactly.
The main feed line before it hits the water heater in the house, before it hits anything, except for maybe an outsized hose bib. And then we poke it out the wall, mount the 2 filters or however many filters we want to put. I
Right.
recommend at least 2, a sediment and a carbon filter. The carbon's there to kill any bacteria and the sediment's there to catch the sediment. No leaks, we're caulked here, we're good up there. Down here, everything's in. Let's double check for some leakage. No leakage. Go ahead and get a good look in there.
Looks good to me.
Are we gonna do the new bathroom?
So Wade is installing the shower door. The frame goes in first, of course. How is that attached?
Got 4 screws.
And some caulk. Silicone?
Oh yeah.
Door frame is installed. Next step, mount the glass door on the frame.
I don't feel like installing right now, I guess. Instead of staying at home, she just
Okay.
holds the tongue with.
Does that slide into that other fixture? This entire shower is all Delta parts. Parts 1, 2, and 3.
What is this, part 1?
I think so.
True.
Well, actually, you're part 4. You're the installer. But that's not listed in the instructions.
No.
Unfortunately, the shower door is too wide for this shower.